Hey guys, we're back, and this is my cousin. Hi, Naomi. She's gonna make a video with me because we want to show you the stuff we might give away if you subscribe to my channel and comment down below, and if you thumbs up to every video. So the first thing we've got right here is a ball. We might give that away. So if you comment down below and subscribe and thumbs up, and we could play with that. You could play with that anywhere, right?
So yeah, there's a ball here.
And
so
then,
next
is the little ones. The little ones, Naomi. First, the little ones.
Is this
Bubblegum machine.
bubblegum machine? So
you could put anything you want in it. It's
so
mine.
so it's brand new. We just got it yesterday.
Yep. And we already we saved the gum because we didn't want to eat it right now. So we just saved it because we didn't want to put in the gum machine. We might give that away. Next, okay, wait. This is the favorite one you guys might like. It's so cute. I love this, but I might give it away. So if you thumbs up and subscribe and comment. Okay, this backpack. Now I'm gonna show you the back. Has this to put on your back, and then it's just like a little pocket in there, and then there is nothing in there, but it's like light pink. If you have it in real life, it's light pink. So comment down below, subscribe and thumbs up. You know, the last object. Is
I'm gonna have to stand up for this because
it's
a unicorn.
backpack from Justice. If you start with the K, if your initial is K, that means you can get this one if you thumbs up. Comment down below and subscribe.
We will also get another one with other
Initials like K, A, others, and
C.
yeah.
So yeah, that's all. And
But we can
the
show you.
last
We can show
thing.
you the inside.
The last thing.
So this is what the inside looks of this one. There's a color change right there.
Going.
No, Naomi, I gotta show this first, okay? You just go and play with it right now and then show them. First, no, I'm gonna show this. Okay. Then there's nothing inside here. It's just a beautiful blue, tealish blue color. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you the other pockets, how they are. So this is just a little pom-pom to open it, and this is the pocket too. It's the pocket 3, and then see that little wavy hair? So cute. And this starts with the K. I love the K because when you look at it other ways like this, look at it like that, like this, it changes colors. Now I'm gonna show you what my cousin wants to show you, and then. Okay, Naomi, you can come in now and show them.
So,
but don't put it on here. Okay?
I'm not. So we just made
Some
the slime
today.
So this is blue slime, as you can see.
And we're gonna call it Snowy because it's kind of like snow, kinda.
So we are going to give this out, but we're gonna make a bigger batch.
Yeah, we're gonna make a lot of batches and we're gonna mix them up sometime. And yeah,
We're gonna make a
big
batch, but this is just an example.
Yeah.
But if you want to earn it, remember
Yeah.
to subscribe.
And comment down below and thumbs up. Okay, guys. I hope you
And remember to put that notification
bell to see every video I make and to not miss anyone.
And remember, if you want to get these stuff, comment down below. Okay, bye.